Hello everyone, today's I am discuss most popular 10 DevOps tools for 2022. DevOps is a change in culture or a practice that brings together teams from both development and operations. The goal is to make the SDLC a strategic resource for any company. Choose the right tools to help you reach this goal. With the rise of technology, many DevOps tools have been created to help people work together and develop new things. 10 DevOps tools and their best features in 2022. 1. Splunk. Splunk is software that helps DevOps teams make better decisions by giving them real-time information at all stages of the delivery process. Is better at making things that are better and helps businesses be more productive, secure, and competitive. Splunk's key features. 1. Analytics and insights are based on data. 2. It will be easier to get new things out faster. 3. Keeping an eye on and fixing solutions. 4. IT services can be seen together in one place. 5. Splunk's Observability Cloud helps users have great experiences. 2. Jenkins. Jenkins is an open-source DevOps tool that helps software projects be integrated at the same time every day. This tool is written in Java and lets software developers build and test their projects all the time. It also makes it easier for developers to add new features to the project. Jenkins Key Features. 1. Easy to set up and install. 2. To help you build and test projects, there are more than 1,000 plugins. 3. It makes automation more powerful. 4. Tasks can be spread out across multiple machines to increase concurrency. 3. Selenium. Open source Selenium is used to automate tests that are done on web browsers. Selenium is used for this. Programmers can use many different languages to make Selenium test scripts. Selenium Key Features. 1. It works with multiple browsers. 2. Web elements can be changed on the fly. 3. Multiple browsers, operating systems, and programming languages can be used. 4. Parallel test execution is supported. 4. Puppet. It is a system management tool that lets developers centralize and automate the process of managing configurations in one place. Puppet Key Features. 1. It can work with both traditional and hybrid infrastructure and apps. 2. Provides a client-server system. 3. Windows, Linux, and Unix operating systems are all supported. 5. Chef. This tool is used to check the configurations that are used all over the place, and it also helps to automate parts of the infrastructure. Chef Key Features. 1. With major cloud service providers, it works together. 2. Large deployments can be supported. 6. Git. A free and open source system called Git is used to keep track of source code. 1. Distributed development. 2. Branching. 3. Nonlinear development. 4. Scalable. 5. Lightweight. 6. Secure. 7. Ansible. Ansible is configuration management, application deployment, provisioning, and orchestration automation engine. Ansible Key Features. 1. Removes a lot of work from the process of making software. 2. It makes it easy to automate IT tasks so that they don't have to be done again and again. 3. He or she takes charge of very complicated deployments. 4. Speeds up the process of making things. 8. Docker software platform. Docker lets developers build, test, and deploy applications that run in small, separate units called containers. Docker Key Features. 1. Easy to set up. 2. It's very easy to grow. 3. Productivity will go up. 4. Application isolation. 5. Security management. 9. Nagios. Nagios is an open-source tool that is used to keep an eye on networks, applications, and servers. Nagios Key Features. Managing users with more power. Planning for capacity. A single view of the IT infrastructure that is being monitored. Kubernetes, K8s. Kubernetes, K8s, is a software platform that can be used to automate the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized apps. Kubernetes Key Features. 1. Automated time scheduling. 2. Self-healing. 3. The job of balancing the weight of a load. 4. Orchestration of storage. More details for click on below link, and like, share and subscribe to the video. Thank you for watching.